Good morning, guys. Jared here at Pacific Green in the beautiful city of Orange, California. Our client here requested that we trim all their limbs and also stump their pine tree. The pine tree is about 60 feet high. The problem that the pine tree caused was that the pipes became broken from the roots. The client just came out and told us that he'd like the remaining 3 pine trees cut and trimmed along the roof. He doesn't want any of that debris falling on top. We're very adaptable. We'll work with you, so we will get this job done. Jared here at Pacific Green again on day 2 of our tree trimming job, as well as our tree removal. As you see behind me, the tree has been removed. We made sure that all the limbs were not touching the building or the wall, so no rats get inside. If you like what you see, one call, do it all. Jared at Pacific Green Land Care.